Hello. We will, in this video, be talking about getters and setters. So before, and as we've done, we've created a whole bunch of classes. And we have given those classes properties. And those properties look something like this. Let me create this class real fast. They always look something like this. Prop some type, with some name, and then get and set. Well, today we're going to be talking about, in this video at least, we're going to talk about what these actually mean. So this is what's called a property. So this property is, as we know, some sort of attribute for a class. Well, with this data, this get and set, they're actually shorthand for what's called getters and setters. So when I say that, I'm going to yearborn, create a new property called yearborn. But instead of using our generic prop, we're going to use prop full to see what happens. So we'll call this int, we'll call this age, capital A, age. So as you notice, we do the prop full, we get this big long thing. So just remember, this is shorthand for this. But what exactly is this? Well, we have our property called age, which is public, and we have a get and our set. So what this means that this property actually has what's called a backing variable, which is this right here. This private int age is where the value is actually set. So with this, whenever we would come over here inside of our main class, and if we'd have a new person, var guest equals new person. We do guest.age equals 22. This value 22, even though we're assigning it to capital A age, it's actually being stored in this underscore age. So, and as we see, if we ever set it, we're taking the value that we're setting and setting it to underscore age and return to underscore age. And whenever we get it, we're returning the underscore age. So this seems like a lot of work, so why would we do something like this? Well, a lot of the times, as the years went by, developers were just having this pattern over and over, which is why .NET adapted this shorthand. But what you can do with something like this is that if we got rid of the set, just like that, now age is read-only. By read-only, I mean I can only read the value. If I wanted to set the value of age, I'd have to do that inside of a constructor of some sort, or in some other method. This dot underscore age equals 55. So this allows me to control the age internally, but still have access publicly everywhere. This is very similar to datetime.now. That is a public property of the datetime class that has just a get. Now on the other side, if we just had a set underscore age equals value, now it's write only. I can never actually get the value of age. So to come back over here, you notice how our set is now compilable, but it's giving, hey, wait a minute. This property index because it lacks the get accessor. So let's go in and add our get again. Get to return underscore age. So we can do get and set, read only and write only. But what else we could also do is, let me comment this out. This allows age to be readable. This allows age to be writable. You'll you'll notice I installed a plugin that is a spell checker called Code Spell Checker. So now I should have a little bit less spelling errors. But I can also do what's called a calculated property. So if I wanted to know if this person can drink, we do prop boolean can drink. We don't ever want to set this, but we want to put in a little bit of logic here. So we can have our get return if this dot underscore age is greater than or equal to 21. So now we're never actually storing this value can drink, we're always calculating it based off the age. So if I come, we're going to get rid of this as well. So if I come over here to my program and do we can do guest dot, let's see we have access to can drink. Just looks like a property. Close that up. Why are you not happy? Ah. Now if I do .NET run, I should see their age is 22, and can this person drink? True. So with these getters and setters, you can do complex, you can do read only, and you can do calculated properties. These can be useful. They may or may not come up much depending on how much you do with your classes. But these are a thing, and you should know what this get and set actually mean. I know this video was short, but there will be more to come. Thank you.